In this exercise, we'll find the volume of this figure, and we'll use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. We look at the figure and note that the figure is the shape of a cone. So we need the formula for the volume of a cone, and that is V equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. Substituting in, we're going to approximate the value for pi. So V is approximately equal to 1/3 times 3.14 times R, which is the radius of the base, that's 3 centimeters, times another value of R, since we have R squared, times the height. Now I can multiply. I multiply 1/3 times 3.14 times 3 times 3 times 12. And that would be 113.04. For the units, I have centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, which would be cubic centimeters. So the volume of the cone is 113.04 cubic centimeters.